So this is all about Shinkula Pass, my last pass of my epic journey, the 15th one. And finally we have done it. And now we are going back to Darcha, and from Darcha to Manali. So the route to Darcha is the same, the way we have come from. And see you after some time. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And you can go this side for Padum, Purne, entire Zanskar Valley. Chalo, catch you up after some time. It's actually snowing now. It's snowing, baby. It's snowing. Yes. चलो देखते हैं बैटरी कब तक सर्वाइव करती है, तब तक शूट करेंगे. Because I don't have anything to shoot after this. Because finally we are going back to Manali. Whoa! Finally, the last pass is done. It's been a fascinating journey so far, and more 2,500 kilometers to go to reach back home. Good. आराम से जाएंगे भाई, आराम से. भी थोड़ा ऑफ पैच थोड़ा है, but that's okay, that's doable. Okay, slowly, yes, and steadily, slow and steady, go this side. Okay, yeah, and there is one more bad patch going to come. Once we are through that, then the road to ekdam makhan hai. Rest of the bad patches are okay because there is no snow on the road. Here you have lots and lots of snow. Are we there yet? It's snowing, baby. Are we there yet? All right. Are we there yet? We already done our 15th pass. La 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 la. I don't regret for missing those. You know, I've identified something around how many passes? Around 25 passes. I think 25? No, 20 passes. 5 passes we could not do it. I tell you which are those 5 passes. One was Varila, one was Khela, one was Changlangla, 3, one was which one was it? Zorbitla. There was one pass. 4 passes and one pass. Yeah, and I couldn't do Shapila. I couldn't do. There's one pass when you go to Aryan village on the way to Daha. Forgot the name of that pass. Wait a minute, I'll just open my visor. Okay, let's go this side. That pass I couldn't do, and Shapila, I think, yeah, around 7 passes I think I missed. No problem, I can always do them some other time, but 15 is good. At least 15 ho gaya. Fresh snowfall, yeah. Come on, Shankar. I remember I have identified 27 passes. So 15 I have done, 7 I couldn't do it, including Kunzimla of Spiti. So maybe some other time I can always think about it. And it's snowing like hell. Need to close my visor a little bit, otherwise entire snow enters in my mouth and nose. Wow, riding in snow has its own charm. and beauty, and the risk as well. Don't forget that. It's getting cold and cold and cold. It is just a matter of next 15 minutes that we just have to navigate through this, and then we are at the bottom. Then we'll wait at Darcha for food, then later at Kelong or Tandi for fuel, and then directly we are hitting Manali non-stop. La 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 la. Enjoy the snowfall. Na 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 na. Okay, slowly. It's like raining in Goa. Here it's snow falling, snowing. Na 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 da 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 da. You know, these moments, these memories of 25 days of riding together with Shankar and more 5 days to go, and those moments which we shared together, a lot of laugh, you know, a lot of jokes, and especially this riding in the snow is a fascinating movement which I think I will never gonna forget. I know sometimes it's very hard because temperature is really fluctuating out here. Anytime weather will change. Look at this now. Look at just now. You know, we were flying drone, weather was clean, and as soon as I got my drone down, we took some 2-3 pictures. Sorry, slow. It started raining. I'm saying it started snowing. Thank God, you know, it didn't snow when I was planning to fly my drone. I hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage. I didn't get much chance to fly drone everywhere. That's because in Ladakh there were 2 factors which were stopping me. One, every time I tried to fly a drone, there was messages put out by army that this is no fly area zone. So obviously, I don't want to take the risk. Second was obviously there was a lot of wind, so therefore again I don't want to take the risk. Today, to my surprise, there was no much wind and I thought I can take the risk. Only worry was satellite connection, and finally I got 11 satellite connection initially, which eventually increased to 22. That's how we could fly drone for 10-15 minutes, and battery dropped drastically. With those just 3-4 shots, battery went down to 50%. Can you imagine? Yeah, that's because it is very cold. Otherwise, normally I think drone battery lasts for a 45 minute max. Even if it lasts for 30 minutes, fantastic. Okay, another turn. Slowly, and look at the snowflakes. So beautiful. Seriously, I'm cleaning my GoPro again and again because snowflakes would settle down on my lens. I hope you guys are enjoying this experience, this snowfall. You know, wherever you are, whichever place you may be right now, just keep celebrating your life. That's very important. Celebration of life matters a lot, no matter what the conditions are, no matter what the situations are. You should always be very positive. Yeah, keep celebrating. Yes, and I need to celebrate my trip, my road trip, my epic journey, which I will once I reach home with my girls, obviously. More 5 days to go, and we're gonna watch this all footage, obviously, once I do the editing part at my own time. And probably I think by the time this vlog will come, it would be somewhere September or October. I know that because I will take my own sweet time. I am not in hurry. I will take my own time. I have another big assignment coming up soon, next month, another 15 days trip. I won't disclose it right now, you'll get to know later on. Inshallah हो जाए. फिलहाल everything is in pipeline, everything is under preparation, planning. I'll get the final nod only I think by next week, and if it happens, then surely I can say this, you'll get to see a country. Another country, not India, some other country, which for that you will have to hold on. For that you will have to hold on for some time. You can keep guessing which country it would be, and that is not a leisure trip, by the way. That would be an official trip. It is connected to my academic job. Okay. So you'll get to know. I don't know how long, I don't know how much time will I get to explore that country, but at least I'm damn sure I'm getting 3 days. 3 days are enough to just explore the capital of that country. The country is very famous, and it's very, very far, I can say this. Let's hope for the best. And maybe before this vlog come, you will get to know by my WhatsApp status for my friends and family. They'll get to know immediately, and to my friends obviously through Facebook. देखूंगा, try करूंगा if I can make 2-3 vlogs out of that trip for memories, obviously. Wow, nice bird. Again that bird came. Wow. Come Baba, come with us home. Let us go to Goa. You know, you'll get a pleasant time in Goa. Lots of fish. Here in snow you will not get anything. Think about it. If you are interested, follow me. I'm talking to that bird, by the way. I saw a second time. It's like a sparrow, but not exactly sparrow. Okay, lots of water. You never know whether it's a water or a black ice. So therefore I'm riding very slow. Shankar is right behind me, and I can't believe that our trip is finally getting over. Yes, on the other side I'm very happy because I'll be going home. I'll be with my girls. Yes, been waiting for this day for a long time. 25 days plus 5 days, 30 days, and they're eagerly waiting for me. My elder one has told me, get me polar bear. And it seems she's been telling all the relatives that I've gone to bring her polar bear. Now I don't know from where should I get the polar bear. Then my wife gave me an idea. Just buy a, teddy, polar bear teddy, basically, kind of, and give it to her. And second one started saying she wants panda. Then I thought, okay, fine, not panda this time. I'm going to give you all both polar bear. Otherwise, they fight, you know, for everything. If I bring something different to each other, they fight for each other. They fight for the same thing, you know. So therefore, best thing is what? Bring only common gift. So no chances of them fighting. And peace at home. So यहाँ पर तो polar bear मिलने वाला नहीं है. So once I reach in the evening at Manali, I'll see if I can get. But again, even if I get a polar bear, how am I supposed to carry that? Because I am on my bike. So the one option is Amazon Zindabad. So I'm going to order 2 polar bears from Amazon, and by the time I reach, I think in next 3-4-5 days, polar bear should be at home. करना पड़ता है भाई, करना पड़ता है, बच्चे मन के सच्चे. Wow, finally we are out of the slush and we are heading to Darcha. And I think even snowing little bit got stopped. Yeah, it reduced, I would say, not stopped totally. Maybe on top it is still snowing. Here it is reduced. And by the time we reach, you know, the bottom of this pass, snowing would totally be stopped. Okay, so you guys have seen this part. So what I'll do now, as I said, I'll switch off my camera and I'll see you directly either at Darcha or directly at Manali. Alright, so stay tuned for more updates.